Alright, new project on the bench. Dewalt drill. Impact gun, I believe. Issue is smoking. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's going on. I already took out these 5 screws. Then I remembered I wasn't filming. So here we go. Holy shit. As you can see, it's smoking. Right there. This thing's been beat and used. Alright, let's see what's going on over here. Alright, started cleaning and I forgot to turn the camera on. Of course. There we go. That's clean. Why don't I just take this out, right? Make things easier. See how this wire is crimped as well? That's from the factory. I'm surprised they allow that. I don't like that. Okay. Alright, I got it all cleaned. Took the motor apart. Greased it up a little bit. Per recommended grease. I should have just left the old stuff in there, to tell the truth. Now I got a problem. I'm in the wrong position here. And having a hard time getting back in there. Gotta be lined just right in order to get in there. See, it's not. Let me see if I can get this lined up. There we go. It's in now. That way it don't turn. Okay. Let me just clean this up. And now, put everything back together, right? It should be easy, right? As long as you remember everything. Okay. That, push that, push that. Okay, everything's lining up. Okay. It's this button here. Okay. Don't need that. Alright, there it is. Clean this up. And we'll test it out. Let me get a battery. Shout out to my new battery. And left, right. Alright. Good as new. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Guys and gals, have a good one. On to the next project we go.